Meaning of dividing line.
Dividing line.
Dividing line.
Dividing line.
Dividing line. The term dividing line refers to a boundary or limit that separates two distinct areas or categories. It can be physical or metaphorical, representing the point where one thing ends and another begins, often relating to differences in beliefs, opinions, or values. The result of a dividing line can be the creation of distinct groups or territories, which can lead to conflict or cooperation depending on the nature of the separation. It's important to recognize the implications of a dividing line and consider ways to bridge differences for the benefit of all parties involved.